Nestled on a steep hillside along Lombok's south coast, this coastal retreat epitomizes a harmonious blend of natural surroundings and contemporary design. Conceived as a serene holiday home, the house gracefully descends with the land's natural gradient, offering sweeping views of the bay. The entrance, discreetly integrated into lush landscaping, leads to a spacious, double-height interior that invites light and air into the living spaces. With an open plan that flows effortlessly from the dining area to the pool deck, the design emphasizes connection to the outdoors. Natural materials like local stone and teak wood are thoughtfully used throughout, enhancing the sense of place while ensuring durability. The home's exterior is defined by deep overhangs that provide shade and comfort, while the interiors are adorned with custom-made furniture and local fabrics, reflecting the region's rich cultural heritage. This retreat is not just a home, but a tranquil escape that fosters a deep connection with nature.